Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Nurul Palit, and today I want to tell you about my hobby, which is basketball. Basketball is not just a sport for me, it is a passion, a challenge, and also a way for me to express myself. I started playing basketball when I was still in elementary school. At first, I just played for fun with my friends, but as time went by, I began to love the game even more. Basketball teach me many important things. It teach me discipline because I have to practice regularly to improve my skills. It teach me teamwork because basketball is not a one-man game. We need to good communication and trust between teammates to win a match. It also teach me confidence. When I hold the ball and take a shot, I learn to believe in myself. My favorite moment is when I successfully block a shot or score after an offensive rebound. Hearing my teammates cheer and gives me motivation to play even better. It makes all the hard training worth it. I usually practice dribbling, shooting, and passing. As a center, I usually play near the basket. My main responsibilities are getting rebounds, protecting the rim, blocking shots, and scoring from close range. I love the feeling of fighting for a rebound and helping my team get another chance to score. It makes me feel important and responsible. Playing as a center requires strength, focus, and good positioning. I have to stay strong in the paint and be ready to defend against opponents' attacks. At the same time, I need good teamwork and communication with my teammates. My dream is to become a better player every day and maybe join a bigger competition in the future. For me, basketball is more than just a hobby. It helps me stay healthy, manage my stress, and build a strong friendship. That's why basketball will always be a special part of my life.
My name is Aaron Slim, and you can call me Aarons. I was born on February 12, 2012, and I am 14 years old. I come from Manado, Indonesia, which is a beautiful city that is famous for its sea and friendly people. I'm a person who really loves sport, especially basketball, which is the game that I play almost every day. My hobby is playing basketball, which is an activity that makes me feel happy and excited. Every day, I always play basketball, whether it is during practice season that are guided by my coach or casual games that I enjoy with my friends. Basketball is a sport that helps me stay active and healthy. It is also an activity that keeps me away from my phone, which is something that many teenagers cannot easily avoid. I believe that hobbies that involve physical movement can make our bodies stronger and our minds freer. In basketball, I learned many important things that help me grow as a person. It is a sport that teaches me about teamwork, which is the key to winning a game. I also learned to be serious in training, which is something that builds discipline. Basketball is a game that requires players to think before they act, so I'll always try to make good decisions on the court. These lessons are values that I can use not in my sport, but also in my daily life and school. Of course, there are times when I feel tired or bored, which is normal for everyone who practice regularly. However, I always remind myself that I must stay motivated and that I should not give up easily. I know that if I keep practice, I will improve my skill and become a better player who can help my team. Basketball is not just a hobby that I like, it is a passion that shapes my character and helps me become stronger both physically and mentally. That is all I would like to share about myself. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Henrik Saragi. I am a student who always tries to learn new things and improve myself. I am a person who believes that hard work and discipline can help me achieve my dreams. I have two hobbies that I really enjoy, which are playing basketball and reading books. Basketball is a sport that teaches me teamwork and responsibility. It is an activity that can make my body stronger and healthier. To play basketball, I must practice basic skills that are important in the game, such as dribbling, passing, and shooting. Dribbling is a technique that helps me control the ball while moving on the court. Passing is a skill that allows me to give the ball to teammates who are in better position. Shooting is an action that can help me score points by putting the ball into the hoop. When I play basketball, I must focus and cooperate with my teammates who want to win the game together. I believe that basketball is a sport that can build confidence and leadership skills. Besides playing basketball, I also love reading books that give me new knowledge and inspiration. I usually read books that can improve my imagination and vocabulary. Reading is an activity that helps me think more critically and creatively. Through reading, I can learn many things that might be useful for my future. Those are some things about me and my hobbies. Thank you for listening.
My name is Vio Marcin Walukow, and you can call me Lino. My birthday on March 22, 2012, and I am currently 13 years old. I come from Manado. Manado is a very beautiful city and has friendly people. I really like sports, especially basketball. Basketball is a fun sport for me. I play basketball almost every day. My hobby is playing basketball. Basketball also makes me more confident in making decisions. I playing basketball not just play, but I practice to improve my skills on basketball. And also basketball make me healthy. I used to think of basketball as just playing, but now I think of basketball as a sport that make me more confident, less selfish, and makes me trust my friend more. My coach improved my basketball skill. He taught me the basic and rules of basketball. To win a game in basketball, we need to teamwork and trust in each other. We also need to be more serious and confident in playing basketball. In basketball, there are have a 4 quarters to win. When I fail, I never give up, but I continue to do my best. I know that when I practice well, I can be a great player and carry my team. And I am confident that I can be a great basketball player. This is all of my hobby introduction. Thank you for listening and see you.
Hello everyone, my name is Axel Taranto. I was born in the Manado. One of my hobbies is play basketball, which is a sport that teaches teamwork and discipline. Basketball is a game that is played by two teams. The top score points by shooting the ball in the hoop. To play basketball, we we also dribble the ball, pass is to teams, and shoot in the basketball. We have to move, we kill, and work together as a team wants to win the game. I can practice every week so that I can improve my shooting and dribble skill and improving seriously. I will become a better player who can help team win. For me, basketball is an activity that builds my confidence and teaches me that success can be an activity to get hard work and comparison. I always like playing badminton, which is a sport that coordination, speed, and concentration. Concentration. Badminton is a game that is playing by hitting a shutlock over a net as a racket. To play is real, we must probably move fast and turn my shot clock carefully so that it does not follow around. I still practice regularly because practice and improve my reflexes and accuracy. If I keep practicing, a cloud join a competition that will give me valuable invitation. Badminton is a hobby that makes my body healthy and my women for focusing. For me, it's a sport that help me relax and feel happy after study. To hobby or vitality that make life more exciting and meaningful. Thank you.